Now I am going on with the dative in use and explain. For example, many have no idea about the verb, which cases are they, like nominative, accusative, dative. And also what I saw mostly in the internet, you don't really find a right explanation, and nobody is really checking how to use this right and watch and maybe tell where mistakes are and correcture. And that's why a self-study alone cannot really work. There are so many small little parts. For example, also this, like I answer you. But the you from English into Deutsch, we have many yous. Now you saw them already. And I would say, I answer you, so ich antworte du. And this cannot be absolutely, because this antworten is dative. I answer you. So ich antworte, of course, is nominative. I come to all this part step by step and explain. All sentences at least have a nominative part. And here it is. Ich antworte, so antworten is a dative and it's focusing to whom? It's a person. The dative verb is only going to live beings. It can be human, it can be also when you have a pet, because the pet you will talk to them, like sit down, listen to me, we go out, and they also answer you like a dog will maybe work with the tail, and you have a kind of communication. This is like this kind of verbs in dative to live beings, but mostly I used to say, of course, humans, beings, lifestyle. So, ich antworte dir. Sie hilft, okay, sie hilft mir. Die Pizza schmeckt mir. Sie erklären Englisch, can be. Sie erklären mir Englisch, whom you explain. You will not explain to a book. You will not talk to a book. You will not talk to a computer. You will not talk to a laptop. This dative is only going to live beings. And as I said, humans. Erklärt mir Spanisch. Du vertraust mir. Ich gratuliere euch heute. Also the dative itself is not being used. It's not activated. Must not. Erklärt Spanisch. Ich gratuliere heute. Die Pizza schmeckt. Ich antworte morgen. You maybe will never see that here is a dative in use.